Now let's take a look at the jobs of our students in the Erasmus Plus project.
We are Laura and Blaž.
We are from Slovenia, Ekonomska of Ljubljana, and we are currently in Braga, Portugal, doing our jobs with Erasmus.
We are working in the office of company named Brago and we are working with the receipts and sorting them by date. We are putting them now into Excel.
The job is quite fun. It can get a little repetitive, but it's okay.
Yes, we're soon gonna finish this, so I hope the next job is gonna be fun and we're very, very excited for it. So that's all from us. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Elmira.
And I'm Clara, and we work at a company called DWS that deals with computers and their parts.
Our main responsibility is to insert information into Excel. We put all the products they sell, their selling price and the price they bought it at.
Out of data that we gathered, we then calculated monthly profit, and we also made some graphs for better understanding.
The workplace is very clean and everyone has been really nice to us, so we felt really welcome.
We are very grateful for the experience we got during the Erasmus project.
Hello, we are Tadea and Nusha and we are working in accounting. We work with bills.
Dia, I'm Yona.
And I'm Lana.
And we're working at the souvenir shop called Namorar Portugal.
And we're even learning how to embroider onto linen napkins. It's a lot of fun.
That's all from us. Thank you.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned a lot. Bye!